there's so much grass in my garden. Actually, what's growing in my garden is known as a cover crop. This is winter rye. Winter rye is a cool season grass that will improve your soil structure and fertility. In the fall, when your garden beds are bare, instead of leaving them completely empty, putting down a cover crop like this will help your soil retain structure, prevent erosion, and add important nutrients back into the soil. Cover crops are known as green manures, meaning instead of animal waste or synthetic fertilizers, you can use cover crops to replenish the fertility in your garden beds and have a healthier soil and a more bountiful harvest because your plants will be fed and happy. So what am I gonna do about all of this winter rye? As it gets closer to planting time, all of this winter rye is going to be cut down to the root line, and I'm going to agitate the soil a bit just so it makes it that the rye can't keep growing. And then I'm going to take all of those grass clippings and lay them back on top to act as a green mulch. And then I'm just gonna plant my garden as normal. Here's the result of growing a cover crop over winter. I sowed winter rye seed in October of 2023. By May of 2024, it has grown a lot. After spending a lot of time cutting and weed whacking all of this grass down, I'm left with really rich, dark, beautiful soil. I can already tell how much this cover crop has improved my soil health. My soil was very pale and sandy just last year. All of the dried grass clippings are being put on top of the beds for mulch. Getting healthy soil and mulch is a win-win. After cutting the grass, some of the areas were a little bit compact from such a dense root system. I took my rolling aerator tool that loosens up the soil just at the surface level to break it up and help me be able to plant in here easier. I'm doing all of this in a backyard home garden. The earth always wants to be covered, so on the off season, grow a cover crop.